This is the window regulator. We looking right at it.
We're removing the panel to put the power window regulator in the car. You first have to take loose the connections holding the side panel to the door. And we'll be back with you after we pop that out. We'll show you all. Stand by.
This is a T30. That's the size of that screw.
A T30.
T30. These are the actual screws come out of there.
Alright, a T30 wrench screw. Okay, once you get your screws out, you pop the panel and you'll have this inside. As you can see, you pop that, then disconnect the connections. Gotta unplug it. As you can see, he's reaching for that to unplug it. One pop. And that's disconnected. And the bottom. There you go. Now we're left for this panel to get to where the motor housing is located. Pull the felt. Remove that. Then we get to the housing. So you ratchet back and forth from one to the other to loosen the bolts, side to side. Hold the window up so it doesn't fall. Okay, here we go. That's the old part. Now we put the new part in.
Alright, let's check this real quick. The door lock. sure that one.
We're now lining the part up to place it back in the frame on witness it came. We do the opposite of what we did, clipping it in reverse order. Make sure you run this all the way up, and we're going to fit in there.
Let me get that motor first. Here it is. Come down. Oh, yeah. That window. Go hold it.
I got it.
It's on there.
What's on?
Mm-hmm.
It's good. What tools are you using there?
This is a 10mm ratchet.
10mm ratchet.
Socket.
Screwdriver, and what else do you use?
This just to hold the screw up so you can get it started.
Okay. You know, your window being stuck in the wintertime, not too bad, but on these 108-degree heat index days, the window can't come down. That's not so good. Power windows, great invention. When they work, they're even better. Put the foam padding back on, and then we add the door. What do you call that?
This is a door panel.
Door panel. Yeah, that's the door panel, people. I knew it was something like that, so we put the door panel back on. And then we'll see what happens. Yes, we shall see. So you just drop it over the little parts that hang out, plug in the little parts that need to be plugged in. As you can see, he's snapping those in there, right? Can you see that? Snap, snap. Wire there. Yep. Up close. Yep. Uh-huh.
Drops in the handle.
Into the handle. I put them on my door. And we're going to snap all that into place, so you don't have to see all that. Y'all know how that works, right? Pop, pop, snap, snap, in place, right? Pop, pop, snap, snap, in place. That's the old one. Old window power regulator up or down or thing or there. Yep, that's the old one. It's in the door now. And we're closing everything up, buttoning it up, putting the panel back on. Put the door handles in. Look at that workmanship.